friends, welcome to my channel. This video is all about mathematics of standard 8th. So our topic will be rational and irrational number. Rational and irrational number. Let us start the topic. Rational and irrational numbers. In this topic, we need to know what is rational number and irrational number. The first of all, what is a rational number? The definition says that the numbers are in the form of numerator and denominator. Such type of numbers are called rational numbers. The numbers are in the form of numerator and denominator, that is m upon n, whereas where n is not equal to 0, denominator should not be 0. So here m is numerator, n is denominator. Example: 5 upon 2, 7 upon 3, 4 upon 3, etc. This type of numbers are called as rational numbers. We know here the numerator will be divided by 2, that is 5 upon 2. How do we divide this number? In the formal normal divisions, as we have learned in the lower classes, that is 5 will be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1. How we will write this? In the mixed fraction, that is 2 1 upon 2. Or we can say 2 and half. That is 2 and half, that answer will be. Right? Okay. This is called rational numbers. Next, we go to the irrational number. What is irrational number? Number or numbers, you can say. Irrational number. The irrational number definition: a number which cannot be written as a fraction. A number which cannot be written as a fraction. Again, fraction means rational number. That is, example for this is root 2, root 3, root 7, pi, etc. These numbers are called as irrational number. This root 2, root 5, they are not a perfect squares. Root 2, root 3, root 7, these are all not a perfect squares. We will get it. So such numbers are called irrational number. Next topic is to show rational numbers on a number line. Next is to show rational numbers on a number line. Now first of all, we need to know what is number line. Okay, now I'll draw a number line. Will be drawn as a long vertical line. A line will be drawn horizontally arrow mark on either side. This arrow mark indicates it will be extended infinitely. At the center we will draw 0. After 0, this side all positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and before 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So after 0, these numbers are called RHS. This is positive numbers, and this side we call it as LHS, that is left hand side. Before zeros, these are all negative numbers. As we move towards the right hand side, the value of the number will be increasing. Suppose if you move like this, -4, from here you are turning towards the right hand side, -4 is less than -3. So -3 is less than -2, that means the value of the number will be increasing. As we move towards from 0 to 1, the value of 1 is greater than 0. As you move towards right hand side, the value of 2 is greater than 1. As you move towards left hand side, so 2 is greater than 1 and the value will be decreasing. So this is called a number line. I hope you understand. This is called a number line. Now we'll move to the exercise practice set 1.1. Practice set 1.1. In this practice set it is giving, show the following numbers on a number line, draw a separate number line for each example is given. We need to show the numbers which are given, that we have to show it in the number line. The first example I am taking it as 3/2, 5/2, -3/2. So have you noticed one thing in this example? The denominators are all equal. The 2, 2, 2 is there. So we will draw for this answer is, first we need to draw a number line. Okay, at the center there will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 positive numbers. Here negative numbers. So from 0 to 1 we call it as unit 1, and each units are divided into 2 equal parts, that we will show it by drawing a dot between each unit. We will draw a dot between each unit. From 0 to 1 it is 1 unit will be divided into 2 equal parts, so that will be showing with the dotted one. So now I hope you understand this. Now we need to show 3/2 where it is located. 3 means from 0 we will count it. This is a positive number, so we will count it from after 0. So from here 1, we call it as 1, 2, this is 3. So 3/2 will be locating here. Next 5/2, the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/2 will be locating here. Next is what? -3/2. -3 where will come? Before 0 to the left hand side. So from here we will take it as 1, 2, 3. So -3/2 will be this. So we have shown the rational numbers on a number line. This is how we have to solve it. This is the practice set 1.1. Now we will move to the next topic, comparison of rational number. Comparison of rational numbers. Comparison means what? How do we compare the numbers? By showing the sign. is equal to, less than, or greater than. These are the signs we use to compare the numbers. So here what type of numbers we are comparing? We need to compare the rational numbers. For example, the first example I will show it with 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Now here in the denominator there are different numbers are there, and it is difficult for us to compare. To make it the denominator same, we need to solve like this. The first fraction we will take it as it is, and the first fraction will be multiplied by the second fraction denominator. What is the number we are having in the denominator? 3. 3 will be multiplied and divided by 3. So now when there is a multiplication sign between the fraction, we have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator like this. 5 into 3 upon 4 into 3. That is equal to 5 3s are 15 and 4 3s are 12. So we got this one fraction. In the same way, now we will take it the second fraction 2 upon 3 multiplied by the first fraction denominator, that is 4 upon 4. Multiply and divide by 4. In the same way, 2 will be multiplied by 4 and 3 will be multiplied by 4. 2 4s are 8 upon 3 4s are 12. Have you noticed now both the denominators are equal? Now tell me which number will be the greater and lesser. So here by seeing the numerators, because denominator are same, now we will consider the numerator. 15 is greater than 8. So 15 upon 12 is greater than 8 upon 12. So by using the sign we have compared the rational numbers.